say exhibit bundle.
Commissioner Mkhwanazi's exhibit bundle.
Commissioner, Chair, may I raise something?
Yes.
On the same matter.
Yes, Commissioner.
I'm made aware, or in fact, let me start by saying today, tomorrow, and for 3 days I was supposed to appear, or I'm appearing in our display hearing. And I was preparing with my representative yesterday, but I was made aware that there's a person testified against me who made a statement. But my appeal is that to the commission that I didn't get any transcript. I didn't get anything that has to do with that. I think it is disadvantaging me because one must study, one must read it and consult. Because the commission has made me aware that, especially Commissioner Baloyi, this thing of me writing statement very fast, it catches up with me when they say submit a statement. But now I want to consult because I'm told that those allegations involve me, my private life, my kids, my family, and other things. But I didn't have a privilege to read because I was supposed to prepare the person who's representing me.
If I may,
That's my
Chair.
appeal. If I can get time, or even if I can maybe want me to submit, because I know that you're under pressure in terms of time, submit every like I did before. When I get the transcript, when I get statements, I'm preparing and trying to get whatever evidence that will talk to that. You see in the statement formally, I will do so. That's my appeal to you, Chair. Because I was able to get that document. Sorry, I was able to get that document till late yesterday. But for yesterday, I didn't get anything.
Can you clarify the last point you made? I wasn't quite sure what your suggestion is, but you seemed to be making a suggestion.
No, I was saying, Chair, I will feel disadvantaged.
I heard that
Yes.
part, but towards the end,
If you want me to write formally and consult and respond, you see, I will do so, and I will request to consult so that I write something that will to the commission, because I know the commission doesn't have time to wait for us. They're under pressure. With time, I'll do so, Chair.
Thank you. Yes, Mr.
Yes, Chair. Yesterday we had witness K, who testified in partial camera, and witness K referred to that event. And in summary, her evidence was that it was under the direction and instance of Commissioner Mkhwanazi. As soon as witness K completed her testimony, the short statement and annexures were immediately made available to Mr. Mkhwanazi yesterday, and they form part of his exhibit bundle as CJC 320. I would submit that in light of the position that Commissioner Mkhwanazi had assumed as regards that incident, and the fact that witness K was located thanks to the statement of Ms. Keisha Lee Stolz, that's where her name arises, and the fact that Commissioner Mkhwanazi testified that he mandated the team to go there within the context of a joint operation with, I think, if I get the Traffic General Maseko, I apologize if I get the rank wrong. This is a version of somebody who was a part of the same operation. The statement is 6 pages, if memory serves me well. It is very short, concise, and it contains facts that Commissioner Mkhwanazi was able to digest and appreciate yesterday. I wanted to place that version to Commissioner Mkhwanazi and to obtain his comment thereon. Now, it can go either one of two ways. Either Commissioner Mkhwanazi outright denies that witness K was part of the operation. He denies that the operation was undertaken in the manner as described by witness K, or he may admit. There is not much scope for debate or contradiction there. It's the one version against the other. So to the question that the the chair placed to Commissioner Mkhwanazi as to what exactly he is asking for, I'm not sure I am clear. Because even if he were given an opportunity to submit a statement, he would either frankly admit or deny what witness K testified to. Secondly, to the extent that he may be inclined to deny, I would have wanted to engage Commissioner Mkhwanazi on witness K's annexure, which is a series of WhatsApp messages exchanged between Commissioner Mkhwanazi's member, Officer Kishali Stolz, and witness K herself. This happens in the context of two statements that were submitted by Commissioner Mkhwanazi, firstly to IPID during the investigation of this incident, and secondly, this supplementary statement that he submitted to the Commission in April 2026. So, Chair, perhaps if I understood better exactly what Commissioner Mkhwanazi is asking or requesting the Commission to do, but I don't see the difficulty in dealing with witness K's statement and her version of the events. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. You'll correct me if I'm wrong, Commissioner. I understand him to be saying he wants to consult, to then prepare something in writing in response to, I assume, the statement and the testimony. Did I understand you correctly, Commissioner?
Yes, you're correct, Chair. And I want to repeat, Chair, I didn't receive anything. The last document I received from Vumeli, it was 1759. The last document that I received from the Commissioner, it was 1759.
And what was that
For
document?
Vusi Matlala. It was an affidavit that comes from SAPS that confirms something about Vusi Matlala's appointment or something like a cut.
How was
And it was the only one.
okay. How was the statement dispatched to the Commissioner?
In light of the timelines, and as usual, it was dispatched by email to address to Commissioner Mkhwanazi.
And that's the usual address
That's the usual,
you
and
use to communicate with the Commissioner?
And it is the same address at which the electronic subpoena was served and acknowledged. And it is copied to his partner. And this was witness case statement and the updated exhibit bundle. What he received
What time was it?
this is 3 p.m., 14:54.
Yesterday.
Yesterday, 14:54. It was I think he received subsequent thereto was the affidavit that he references
Yes.
regarding the Mr. Matlala's, was that?
Affidavit, yes.
No, it's an affidavit regarding Mr. Matlala's
Is it the SAP?
clearance, yes.
Yes.
Clearance certificate. So that's the communication that was
Also
dispatched.
sent to the same email
Also
address?
sent to the same address.
Now,
Yes.
Chair,
Thank you, thank you.
Chair, I don't want to debate. I might have jumped this one because I was out. But when I came in immediately, when I was on top of the emails, this is the one that I was able to pick up of Mr. Matlala, and I was able to read it. That one I read it. I don't want to deny it. The other one, yes. The other one, no, I didn't, Chair. Yes, I didn't. I was unable to read it, Chair.
Commissioner, Ms. Sillo, how we should proceed is let Ms. Sillo proceed with whatever else that does not relate to the testimony of witness K. We have the tea break, we have the lunch break. During those breaks, you may then go through what was sent to you yesterday, so as not to waste time. So we proceed now with whatever else Ms. Sillo was going to engage you on. So we penned dealing with issues relating to witness K.
I requested to consult again because I detected something when Commissioner Balui was questioning me that to just write and respond, and I could see what she mentioned is true. You see, this thing of responding to legal documents or to the state like you are writing an email to someone, it's a different story, you see.
So are you effectively saying or rather issues relating to witness case should not be dealt with whatsoever?
I don't know what's the approach here, because the thing that I'm told that she mentioned, some are too personal, some are too sensitive, some are very sensitive, Chair. You see, I'm being implicated in many things there. You see, I feel that I need to respond formally and legally. Because I've been responding to these things, and these things are growing. Everyone wakes up thinking about Mkhwanazi and submit and submit and submit.
I will say this to you, Commissioner. Well, some of the things she has said are new, but it is not as if looking at the broader scheme of things, these are matters that you know nothing about. And I'm using broader scheme of things advisedly. It's a careful choice of words.
Yes, Chair.
It's something that you've already given evidence on. You have testified. You have given your version, the effect of which is basically to deny what witness K says with regard to the broader scheme of things, if you see what I mean. So it's not as if she came here and spoke about the things that you are completely in the dark about. For example, on the question whether you were part of a scheme to steal these stones from Kilani, you have said you were not. You have said in so many words that this was a police operation to bring a halt to the unlawful sale of stones through social media. You have given that version. And you have said that in that operation, you were working together with you as Egoruleni, or rather EMPD, were working together with JMPD. And I think the JMPD person you mentioned is Officer Masuku. Or am I wrong? Maseko, I'm sorry. Officer Maseko. And that during the operation, when your two officers were there inside the apartment, you went there, you arrived at the scene, but were there for a very short period, and you left for some other engagement elsewhere. So it's something you actually have a version on. The effect of which is that you are basically not agreeing with what witness K is saying. So it's not as if she testified to issues or matters that you are completely in the dark about. So my view is that let us go ahead with whatever else Ms. Sillo has. You will then have time to go through her statement. Unfortunately, I doubt that the transcript itself is available at this stage. So go through that statement when you find time, and I think you will find time, either during the tea break or even the lunch break. And we should be able to finalize your testimony with regard to what Witness K testified about. We should be. But to address the disadvantage you referred to, or indeed the possible unfairness that you suggest, if you want to, you may file an affidavit addressing whatever else you feel may not have been sufficiently addressed in your testimony here in open session. That's how I am directing matters should unfold.
Thank you, Chair.
I'm doing that in terms of our, is it regulations or rules? I have the power to direct how or rather to regulate our process. I have that power, and I'm exercising it along the lines that I've explained to you.
Thank you, Chair.
Thank
I'm happy, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.